Jai Hind. On 1st September 1947, Indian Standard Time was adopted as the official Indian time for whole of the country. India is 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Unlike other countries, India does not observe daylight saving time. Indian Standard Time is computed on the basis of 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude from a clock tower in Mirzapur near Prayagraj. Earlier in 4th century astronomical treatise known as Surya Siddhanta, the Indian Standard Time is mentioned there. According to the book, prime meridian passed through Avanti, ancient name of the city Ujjain, at 23 degree 11 minutes north to 75 degree 45 minutes east, and Rohitika, which was the ancient name for Rohtak, at 28 degree 54 minutes north to 76 degree 38 minutes east. A sidereal day in ancient India begins with sunrise at a prime meridian in Ujjain, and then it was divided into smaller units of time. But earlier, Indian Standard Time is only used for the astrological purposes. In ancient India, many kingdoms use Hindu calendars to maintain their local time. One example of this is Jantar Mantar, constructed by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh in 1733 in Jaipur, which has a large sundial up to 90 feet high, used to calculate the local time. Madras Observatory was constructed by East India Company in 1792 because of the efforts of Michael Topping, who was an astrologer and a sailor. In 1802, the first official astrologer of East India Company, John Goldingham, established the longitude of Chennai, that is 13 degree 5 minutes 24 second north and 80 degree 18 minutes 30 second east, which was 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. This was for the first time a current time zone was used. Earlier, a day would begin at the sunrise, but after following this, now a day began at midnight. With the introduction of railways in 1850s, it became crucial to have a unified time zone. Because Mumbai and Kolkata were the important presidencies under the British East India Company, their time got importance and adopted by the provinces and the princely states. The International Meridian Conference in Washington, D.C. in 1884 established a uniform time zones for across the world. By the late 1880s, railways started using the Madras time as their standard time, which had came to be known as railway time. And Madras time was the intermediate between the two time zones which were earlier used by the East India Company. These two time zones were Kolkata, that was using 90th East Meridian, and Mumbai, the 75th East Meridian. Kolkata time was 5 hours and 30 minutes and 21 seconds ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time, and Mumbai time was 4 hours and 51 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. There was another time zone which was known as a Port Blair time zone, which was 49 minutes and 51 seconds ahead of Madras time. But British East India Company in 1905 adopted the standard time for India. The meridian 82 degree 30 minutes east passing through Allahabad was adopted as the Indian Standard Time. This came to the force on 1st January 1906. Though Kolkata and Mumbai maintained their own time till 1948 and 1955 respectively, Indian government declared Standard Time of India as their official time for entire country. The Central Observatory was moved from Chennai to Mirzapur. Though India does not observe daylight saving time, it was observed briefly during China-India War in 1962 and Indo-Pakistan War of 1965 and 1971. Jai Hind.